I'm always looking for really cute and easy ways to elevate my bathroom, especially my guest bathroom, and I have just the thing to do that. These bottles were sent for my review, and this is gonna be so great. So these are, instead of just having really bulky shampoo, conditioner, and body wash bottles, I'm gonna put them in here. So these ones are plastic bottles, which is something I love so that they are not going to break. I've definitely had some glass ones in the kitchen before, and you know, they do look a little bit nicer, I find, but I have broken them before. So having something like this, I think, is going to be a lot better. I do love that they're already labeled, and like, it just looks so fancy. So these ones here are 16 ounces. So you have your shampoo, your conditioner, your body wash. It does also come with a funnel as well, so it's going to make it super simple to just kind of load these up. These ones clearly are the black. They do come in different colors, and the one I saw too, which I thought was I'm loving the black. I am all for this one, but they also have transparent ones, which I think is kind of nice because then you can kind of see the level and you're like, oh, I need to top that up. But at the same time, I'm also like, let's hide that. So I'm definitely a fan of both of them. But yeah, so you've just got once you put them in here, then you've got, it's just going to be like a little pump bottle as well. Super simple and just like such a neat and easy way to elevate your bathroom.